Want to know how to change your currency method or currency option in booking.com? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your booking.com website. So you can just simply open up your web browser and type in booking.com. So once you have selected it, here you should be provided with this interface right here, and make sure you are logged in for more accuracy. We have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have logged in, you should be provided with this interface, and on top you should be seeing your currency right here. For me right now is NPR. So in order to change it, you can just simply select it, and now here you should be seeing various currencies. So you can just simply choose by scrolling down, and you can see all the way to West African as well. So you can just simply select any one of these just by simply clicking on it, and now your page to reload and you should be good to go. And now right here you can see my currency has been changed to euro. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.